Hi there, creators and entrepreneurs. Are you ready to unlock your true creative potential and take your business to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned Amazon KDP publisher, a small business owner, or someone who simply loves creating stunning designs, we have something extraordinary for you. Welcome to the world of editable Canva templates, where creativity meets convenience. Imagine this, over 100 plus fully editable Canva templates are now at your fingertips. From daily planners to gratitude journals, fitness trackers to niche-specific templates like ADHD behavior journals, wedding checklists, and even camping logs, everything you need is here. Why are these templates so amazing? Because they're designed with you in mind. No design experience? No problem. You can easily customize these templates to suit your personal style or business brand. Here's how it works: replace the text with your own words. Drag and drop your favorite images. Adjust the colors to match your aesthetic. And voila! In just a few minutes, you have a professional, ready-to-use design. Some templates may include premium elements, so don't forget to use your Canva Pro account to access the full package. Are you an Amazon KDP publisher looking to grow your business? This is your chance to expand your product offerings effortlessly. Download these templates, create your unique designs, upload them to KDP, and start earning more income. It's that simple. This collection is specifically curated to help you succeed. Whether you're creating a 2025 planner, a monthly budget tracker, or even a notebook for a specific niche like archery training or baby showers, it's all here. Here's a quick sneak peek of what you'll get in this bundle: 2025 daily planners, gratitude journals, self-love workbooks, bucket list journals, fitness planners, mood trackers, and so much more. In total, you'll receive over 100 plus templates that are designed not just to save your time, but also to inspire your creativity and meet your customers' needs. Ready to get started? You'll find everything you need, complete with pricing details and the purchase link, right in the description below. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Whether you're growing your Amazon KDP business or simply looking for tools to make your life easier, editable Canva templates are the perfect solution. Click the link, download your templates, and start creating designs that not only look amazing but also help you achieve your goals. It's time to turn your ideas into reality.